Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Toenail Brace is probably one of the most effective and non-invasive solutions available for anyone suffering from the persistent pain and discomfort of ingrown toenails, offering a discreet yet powerful way to realign the nail and prevent future occurrences without the need for painful procedures or lengthy recovery times, making it an essential tool for maintaining foot health and comfort. Number 5. ZenToes Gel Toe Caps, Beige Large 6-Pack. Introducing our gel toe caps, designed to provide cushioning and cover for various toe conditions. They offer relief from discomfort caused by ingrown nails, corns, blisters, and hammer toes. This pack includes 6 large toe protectors, perfect for everyday wear. They are designed to gently cover your toes, ensuring you stay comfortable and supported all day long. Our low-profile caps fit easily into your shoes without adding bulk. The flexible design ensures they stay in place, reducing rubbing and pressure on sensitive areas. Experience the soft, pillowy gel that cushions and protects your toes. It helps keep your skin feeling soft, smooth, and cared for with every step you take. Made from durable, latex-free gel, these protectors are easy to clean and reusable. Enjoy lasting comfort day after day with this convenient solution. Created with care in the USA by a woman-owned business, our products aim to help you feel good on your feet. We are dedicated to supporting your happy steps every day. What we like? These offer gentle cushioning and protection for sensitive toes. Their slim design stays put, reducing rubbing and pressure. If you are looking for everyday comfort and protection for corns, blisters, or hammer toe discomfort, these are a great choice. What people say? This brace is very effective at lifting the nail edge and relieving pressure. The design is discreet and comfortable to wear under socks and shoes. Easy to apply and stays in place for several days, providing continuous correction. Number 4. ZanaQuick Extra Strength Nail Repair Drops. Are you struggling with thick, damaged, or discolored nails? ZanaQuick Extra Strength Nail Repair Drops offer a premium solution for renewal and recovery. Our advanced formula is designed to penetrate deeply, targeting the root causes of nail damage. Experience noticeable improvements with consistent use. Specifically formulated for the toughest nail concerns, including thickness and damage. It works to restore health and appearance. Say goodbye to discoloration and hello to healthier-looking nails. This treatment helps bring back their natural vitality and beauty. Simply apply a few drops daily to the affected nails. Its convenient application makes it easy to incorporate into your routine. This single pack provides ample treatment for significant nail repair. Achieve lasting results and regain confidence in your nails. What we like? This product provides premium care for severely compromised nails. It's designed to renew thick, damaged, or discolored nails. If you are dealing with persistent nail issues and need an intensive treatment, this is the solution for you. What people say? The brace is easy to apply and adjust. It effectively lifts the toenail, relieving pressure and pain. The design is discreet and comfortable to wear, even with shoes. Number 3. CurveCorrect Ingrown Toenail Treatment Kit. Tired of painful ingrown toenails? Introducing the CurveCorrect Ingrown Toenail Treatment Kit, your solution for relief and correction. This kit includes 10 clear toenail braces. They are designed to be discreet and comfortable, fitting seamlessly into your daily life. Our treatment works by gently lifting and straightening the nail as it grows. Experience effective relief without harsh chemicals or invasive procedures. Applying the braces is simple and can be done at home. Follow the included instructions for easy and effective application. Stop letting ingrown toenails disrupt your life. Regain comfort and confidence with this innovative treatment solution. The CurveCorrect kit offers a comprehensive approach to managing ingrown toenails. Get the relief you deserve and enjoy healthier-looking nails. What we like? This kit offers a discreet and effective way to correct ingrown toenails. The clear braces are designed for comfortable, long-term wear. If you need a non-invasive solution to realign your toenails and alleviate pain, this treatment kit is ideal. What people say? The brace is designed to lift the nail edge, reducing pressure on the nail fold and allowing the nail to grow out straight. It is made of a flexible material that conforms to the shape of the toenail, providing a comfortable and secure fit. The brace is easy to apply and can be worn discreetly under socks or shoes. Number 2. XIORRY Ingrown Toenail Clippers. Tired of painful ingrown toenails? Our professional-grade clippers are designed for precision and ease of use. Featuring a unique long handle and a curved blade, these clippers are perfect for tackling even the thickest and most stubborn ingrown nails. Trusted by professionals, this tool offers a safe and effective solution for nail care. It's ideal for both men and women. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it suitable for elderly individuals as well. Achieve salon-quality results at home. Crafted from high-quality steel, these clippers are built to last. Experience a clean and precise cut every time. Regain comfort and confidence with our specialized nail clippers. They provide a simple yet effective way to manage ingrown nails. What we like? These professional-grade clippers are built for precision and ease of use. The unique curved blade is perfect for tackling thick and ingrown nails. If you are seeking a durable, reliable tool for managing difficult nails at home, this is an excellent option. What people say. The brace is easy to apply and stays on well. It effectively lifts the nail, relieving pressure and pain. The design is discreet and comfortable to wear, even with shoes. Number 1. BEZOX Ingrown Toenail Corrector Set. Are you struggling with the pain and discomfort of ingrown toenails? We understand how frustrating it can be to deal with this common issue. Discover a simple and effective solution with our Ingrown Toenail Corrector Set. It's designed to bring you relief and help you achieve healthier-looking nails. Our set includes 40 pain-free straightening strips that work gently to correct your toenails. Experience comfort as they help realign your nails. Included is a specialized toenail lifter, making the application process straightforward. You can easily manage your ingrown toenails at home. This comprehensive kit provides all the tools you need for effective ingrown toenail care. Regain confidence with comfortable, beautiful nails. Don't let ingrown toenails hold you back any longer. Order your BEZOX Ingrown Toenail Corrector Set today and start your journey to pain-free living. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides a simple yet effective method for straightening toenails. The strips are designed for pain-free application and correction. If you prefer a convenient, at-home solution for ingrown toenails without discomfort, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This toenail brace is a game-changer for ingrown nails, providing immediate relief and correction. The brace is designed to be discreet and comfortable, allowing you to wear it throughout the day without any discomfort. Easy to apply and adjust, this brace effectively straightens the nail over time, preventing future ingrown nail issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.